You have to be strong. You have to be brave.
I regarded Mr. Sweetie as my brother.
Sweetie was a very good person. And Siddhant was dependent on him. And he used to trust him a lot. I don't understand why someone would have a problem with a person like him.
One thing is obvious. We thought that my brother was mistaken, but he was not. Something is wrong. I do not know what it is.
Purva, you are being skeptical about my father. Do you think that my father killed Sweetie?
What would you have thought if it was you, Karthik? Mr. Sweetie. Mr. Sweetie was murdered. There must be a reason behind it. I don't trust anyone anymore. I don't trust anyone.
Where's that girl?
She's at a safe place, sir.
And what about that priest who was along with that girl?
We had to kill him, sir. We killed him and disposed his body in the gutter.
What will you do if the police gets involved?
They won't find any evidence, sir. I checked everything. There was no CCTV cameras in that place. Even Siddhant didn't notice anything. Nobody will suspect us no matter how hard they try.
And what about his mother? Where is she?
She was kept in a NGO in Agripalli, sir. She left that place 3 months ago. The doctor let her go and he did not ask me. He said her health is fine, so he let her go. I was assigned men to find her. They are looking for her. You don't worry, sir. Nothing will happen.
We need to keep the mother and the daughter under our control. Yeah. The mother will be quiet as long as we have her daughter. If either of them goes to Siddhant or to the police, then I will be in danger.
Yes, sir.
When you had been to America, I was very lonely. I don't know. I felt that something wrong was going to happen. I used to behave strange. I was angry at myself and I used to vent my anger on everybody. Then one day, Mr. Sweetie entered my life. In Tees Hazari, can you guess where we met?
In a boardroom?
No. We met in the canteen. And after talking to him, I realized that he had somehow managed to get a degree in law. I was sure. But he cannot do anything with it. I ignored him as well. But I don't know why he was very clingy, that he used to talk as if we knew each other for long. And I laughed for the first time after talking to him. Because of him, my restless mind was at ease. And then I kept him around me. And gradually, I got very used to him. Today I regret the fact that I could never tell him that how incomplete I feel when he is not around. He used to tell me Hey, buddy. Even if everyone deserts you, this Sweetie Singh will be by your side till the end. And see what happened. He is no more. This terrace, this was our den. We would drink here on the sly. We used to make plans and share our thoughts. Mr. Sweetie just loved partying. And he has left me alone now.
Siddhant will be killed just like the way Prabhakar was killed.
He exacted my revenge on Mr. Sweetie.
Siddhant? Siddhant, nothing can happen to Siddhant. No. It's very important for me to meet Mr. Krishnakant. Please let me go.
But ma'am, is this the time? Mr. KK must be sleeping. Please come back in the morning. I'll try talking to him, but not now.
Look, please try to understand. Just go and tell him once that Miss Gayatri Sinha is here. He will call me inside.
Ma'am, I can't do anything so late at night. I cannot disturb Mr. KK.
Just speak to him.
Let her come in. KK knows why you have come here. I had asked you to make your son understand, but you did not listen. Now that Sweetie is dead, you're dead scared. You came running to me. You came running to KK. Had you made your son understand, probably Sweetie would have been alive today. I am not the one to be blamed for his death. You are Gayatri, you. Siddhant is still not safe as yet. He is alive only because KK has spared him. Otherwise, he would have also been dead along with Sweetie. I don't know how long KK will act so kind.
I beg of you. Let Siddhant go. Whatever you did to my husband, I will forget it all. I will forget everything. But please spare Siddhant. I beg of you. I will do as you say, but please spare Siddhant. Please.
First of all, tell Siddhant to get out of KK's way
Yes.
and send KK's daughter Anushka back to his house.
All right. I'll do as you say. I will do as you say.
KK does not think that Siddhant got married without your permission, right? After all, he is Prabhakar's son. He is very stubborn. Just like him.
No, it won't happen. I won't let him interfere in your matters. No matter what, he will keep out of your way.
All right. This is your last chance.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
One needs to hit the iron very hard in order to bend it. Don't worry, Siddhant Sinha. I will take things to another level. I will make things more difficult for you. KK has not come so far only to lose.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले